donuts. Now we bake from scratch. Truly, it doesn't really matter how they taste, as long as you're having fun. Delicious, veggie, chewy, flavorful brownies. Hopefully they taste amazing though. Alright, step 1, wash your hands. Done. That's why they're kind of ashy. 2, you need to get a mixing bowl. The oven is already preheating to 350. And let's have some fun. Okay, enough. This is why I burn everything that I make and I don't cook. I'd rather just have fun and watch everyone else cook. Do you have a sweet tooth? I have a crazy sweet tooth, so I love stuff like brownies, and cake, cheesecake, ice cream, cookies, tres leches, churros. Here are the eggs. We've got vegetable oil, but we have olive oil. We already saw that turned out with Cindy and Athena, but it turned out really good, so it's okay to use it. And water. That's it. That's all you need. One egg. No shells. She's a perfectionist. I'm gonna get a little white. This is like a little white part. I hate when that is left in. Cool, we got the little white thing out. 2 tablespoons of water. Yes, 2 tablespoons. 1 big cup of vegetable oil. We have extra virgin olive oil. That's what we're going to use today. And I'm going to put the brownie mix. That's it. We love it easy. Oh, you don't say that. We love anything that doesn't take too much effort. But I feel like next time I should definitely do this from scratch so you guys can see the whole process. It's a little bit longer, but it's okay. So this gives you the oil. 1/3. I don't know if you're supposed to not pour over. It's alright. You guys have any recommendations? We're trying to find which one is like super gooey. And then fudge brownie mix seemed to be the best option. Oopsies. It's getting messy, but we like messy. Beautiful, beautiful. I should be a chef or a baker. We made a little mess. How about these? Are we for these or no? Like, yes? No. Yes? Like, is it a vibe? Like, it's okay. Ooh, oh gosh. You guys have that thing where you have to eat it before you bake it? I just want to try it. I just want to taste. This is why it takes me so long to get anything done, honestly. This is really still, so I'm gonna clean up because I made a mess unnecessarily. Taste of chili. I think we only have big pans. I have a solution. We can either make it in the pan that is here and we can put a little bit of foil like halfway through. And it works. Or we can make it in a pan on the stove top. Still gooey, still delicious. Now I'm torn. I've never made brownies on the stove top before. But this is all about new experiences. That's what life's about. So how about you try it? Have you ever made them on the stove top? And I feel like this is probably a very normal thing. They're probably like, okay, not that exciting. But for me it's exciting because I've never done it. And now you get to see how it turns out. First one's on the show. Get a front row seat. I bet it will. Everything that I do turns out. Everything I touch turns to gold. So I have no problems. Hopefully, whatever I touch here doesn't turn into burnt. Let's remix this up. Give it some more tender. Feeling a little like Beyonce. You're gonna like. you don't think I look like Beyonce, give it a like and subscribe. I look like Taylor Swift though. That's so cool. But we are in Houston, Texas, where Beyonce is from. So shout out to Beyonce Renaissance Tour. You're one of my favorites. Did I tell you guys how I saw Beyonce and I snuck backstage the first time ever seeing Beyonce? I was working the concert as a college student. I was cheerleading and they had the cheerleaders work different things to pay for like nationals. So I worked it and I was so ugly. I was sweating all day. My friend Shira and I, congrats to her by the way for being engaged. We went to the concert after and they let us. We had these little passes. They weren't the right one to go back, but we had the passes for working around the stadium for the concert. After we went to the concert, we got to sit on like that side area and I almost fainted. And then after, I stuck in the back and we did get stopped at a certain point. They were like really nice, but they were like, no, we can't. So I met some of her people and I was like, sometimes people think I look like Beyonce. Do you think I look like Beyonce? Like, I didn't even glow up yet. This is an ongoing glow up process, so don't even come at me. But they're like, yeah, you look like her without makeup on. And I was like, that's good enough for me. That's all I needed to know. Hopefully my butt will get there soon. I love Bey. She's amazing. Let's try and make these on the stove. I bet they're gonna make these deals. With the stovetop, they said to put something over it, and I don't think there's any tops to these here either. Did I say either or either? Either way. So the clean pan options at the moment are this and this. Ooh. Okay, so this might be too big. This would be real big. Maybe we can make two. Maybe I'll try this one. I think it will. I guess we don't need this. They say you can make it on the stove. I did the first time to cover it, so if there's something you can cover it with, and it might be alright. If you think this is ghetto, give it a like. If you think I'm at all any sort of cures, give it a like. If you think I'm ugly, give it a like. This right here is a dessert of champions. My golf skills don't improve by 5 times. I don't lose 500 on my handicap. I'm kidding. What's funny is I just got this information from a 2019 YouTube video. I really hope that this is relevant, up-to-date information. We will try it out and see. You know, this is what we like to see. Problem solving. We have solutions. Instead of going to buy a pan, I just Googled. Now we have a solution. Problem solvers. You know what? I think I need to turn the oven off, and now we start. It's electric. Oh man, I don't know how much. You know what? People have been asking me to do these more and to actually post the mac and cheese one, like the from scratch baked multi-layer mac and cheese video, but I just put it on, you know, this way to say. So hopefully you guys like this. I literally already messed up because I was trying to fix the camera and I think I almost burned the butter, but I didn't. It's okay. I like that it's small, so we can test it out first. Actually, this is the perfect size. If you're wondering about my tub, I had this thing with NASCAR and like Monster Mile over Motor Speedway, and it came too late, so I just wear it. We love to go fast. Amazing. We don't have the actual one, so as a substitute, no chocolate my face. This over 35 minutes. I don't know how high. Wait, oops, this is on triple. This is hot on 3 things. Shoot. Do I have chocolate on my face? Right here. Did I get it? Okay, thanks. Do this for like 35 minutes. And yeah, amazing. Such a good chef. Can you? Clean up, clean up. Got everybody. Kiss me. I had cleavage, this wouldn't have happened. We'd have issues. There would be no problems, right? Maybe if she had some titties. How are we moving though? They're enough for some of us. This is growing. It's gonna be enough. It's already enough for people. And for me. But I wanna keep growing it for me. Ooh, that's really steaming. I want that thing to go off. Oh, it's done just like that. That was fast. Wait, I moved it a little bit and then I put it back on like it's done. It's it's a little smoky, but I think it's done. Beautiful. It's a little smoky. But they look done and they look delicious. So like these cakes. Put this one over here and let it cool off and hope this. Oh. Maybe this one's strength. Would be asked, like, be like, is there anything else? Hot ass Texas heat. Surely we'll do it. Just ask him to save your lives. Give me a slice. This is why I don't try and be sexy, because that's why I'm not a millionaire yet. I know it. Would you like to try them? Thank you guys for watching a taste of the Taylor. Honestly, this smells amazing. They already know it tastes like barbecue, so at this point, I can't really tell you guys if they worked out or not. What are your thoughts? Do I have anything on my face?
I don't think so, but
No?
it smells like burnt hair.
But the taste test, the middle of it is still wet, but then this part's like burnt, so that's a problem. But it's okay because like as long as we're having fun, it's all nice. Truly. But no, the bottom is really burnt. Like. Okay. The middle is not that bad. I think the extra virgin olive oil, I think that was it. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Sorry. Hopefully you guys make better brownies and let me know if you tried this and you like it.